cozy colors. And finally, C for cat, playful and curious, waiting to shine with bright shades. Grab your crayons and markers because together we're bringing these alphabet friends to life. Stay with me until the end to see how colorful and amazing our drawing becomes. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you never miss new adventures. And send me your drawings too. Links to Instagram, Facebook, and email are in the description. Let's go color together. If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Now it's time for the best part, coloring! Are you ready to bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors? Stay with me, because these colors are gonna make everything look super fun and amazing. Let's see what magic we can create together. Let's start coloring! Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Our ant, bear, and cat are now full of colors and super cute. I hope you had so much fun coloring with me today. Remember, every letter can be an adventure, and we'll keep making more together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll never miss the next colorful journey. And hey, I'd love to see your drawings too. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. All the links are in the description. Maybe your art will be featured in the next video. See you soon, little artists. Bye!